Okay guys, if you watch one of my previous Teespring videos, you know that I keep telling you that you need to follow trends. And recently, huge trend, by far biggest trend in this year was Football World Cup. And when you go here on Google Trends, here you can see that this trend was huge. It was a maximum trend. And in my opinion, this was one of the best World Cups ever. And that is why this was a huge trend for the entire 30 days. But for some reason, many of you guys actually missed this trend. Luckily for me, I didn't miss this trend and I actually made a good money with World Cup, Football World Cup and also Teespring. And today I'm going to show you one of the ways that I actually used World Cup to make money with Teespring, to make money with print on demand. So what I did, I actually used one of the semi-final games, and that was the game between Argentina and Croatia. Now everybody expected a match between Argentina and Brazil in semi-final, but Croatia kicked out Brazil, and that is why everybody talked about that game slightly more than the other game between France and Morocco. And like I said, everybody talked about that game between Croatia and Argentina because that was the top match. That was the best match in semi-final. So what I did, I actually went and found meme pages on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Reddit, and so on and so on. And actually on other meme-related websites. And I was searching for memes related to that semi-final game. And this is one of the memes that I found. As you can see here, Argentina, Brazil, Rocky Balboa, as you can see here. And this is Ivan Drago. And this is a funny meme, but also provocative meme. And people liked this meme. And this meme went viral, which means this was a great for me. So what I did, I actually designed two t-shirts. One t-shirt supporting Argentina, as you can see here, and another t-shirt supporting Croatia. Now I will not show you my designs because I know that some of you guys will steal my designs, and that is why I will not show you my designs. Anyway, next thing I did, I actually created two QR codes. One QR code for Argentina and another QR code for Croatia. And this is how it looks. As you can see here, I added a QR code for Argentina t-shirt below Argentina flag. And I added a QR code for Croatian t-shirt right next to the Croatian flag. This is what I did. So next thing I actually did, I went on Instagram and I found football related pages. And when you type here in search bar football, here you can find football related pages. So you can just open this one here. Here you can see this page actually has 5.1 million followers. Football or soccer as Americans call it, it's actually most popular sport in the world. It is by far most popular sport, and Football World Cup is most popular sporting event on the planet. And that is why you should use every competition, every cup related to football, because you can make good money. Anyway, so let me just close this. I went here and I found football related page. Actually, I found a small page, and what I did, I actually paid them to share this image here, this meme here. And in the description, I simply said, what do you think, who will win, Argentina or Croatia? Leave a comment below and scan the QR code. And everybody will leave their comment, they will start discussion, who is better, who will win. But they will also, many people also scanned these codes to see what is behind these QR codes. And I got lots and lots of clicks, okay? Because people wanted to see what is behind these QR codes. And I actually made, this is results. Here you can see I actually got 13 orders. I sold 15 units and I made $73. But I paid only $10 for 24-hour post. So I made $63 profit on this simple campaign. As you can see, this is a simple image. This is actually, I found this simple meme here, and I simply added my QR code below this flag and right next to this flag, and I just said, what do you think, who will win, Croatia or Argentina? Leave the comment below and scan the QR code. And that is literally it. That is all I did. I made this campaign in literally 10 minutes. just 10 minutes, and I made $63 of profit with Teespring and print on demand. This is just one of my accounts where I use only free traffic or low paid traffic. On my other accounts, on my other Teespring accounts, I'm actually making much more money where I'm actually paying for ads. So like I said, you should always follow big trends. That is an easy way to make money with print on demand, to make money with Teespring, and to make money online in general. Always follow trends.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.